Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z3 Compact, and let me share with you how to change the phone ringtone on this device. So first of all, we can open the dialer and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on call settings, and as you can see here, we've got the phone ringtone. So let's tap on it and we will be transferred to the list of available ringtones from which we can choose. You can pick the option none, which simply means that your device will not use the sound to notify about the incoming call. If you want to listen how the ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And you will be able to check whether you like it or not. And if you like it, simply tap on done. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.